Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to make a snack called ants on a log. We're going to use celery sticks, pretzel rods, peanut butter, and raisins. So, we can do it two ways. So I'm going to start with the healthy celery stick. And we're going to spread some peanut butter on it. And then we're going to get some raisins. And we're going to put 1, 2, 3. And it looks like ants on a log. The second way we're going to do it is with pretzel sticks. Some people like pretzel sticks, so I'm going to do it that way. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pretzel stick and some peanut butter. Ooh, it's messy. And we're going to get our raisins again. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3. And that's our ants on the log. So if you're making a snack for yourself, you can always make one for somebody else. So let's make one more. I'm going to put it on the pretzel rod. So I'm going to spread the peanut butter again. And I'm going to get some raisins. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try it. Delicious.